So hello everyone, in this tutorial, I hope you all are doing fine, and I would try my best to make the tutorials more and more interactive so that you guys don't have to, you guys will find my tutorials more and more exciting. I found some of them to be a bit boring, so learning should be fun, and let us see what happens. So the first thing is, first here we will mention what exactly is a function. So a function is nothing, it's simply a block of code. So to write a function, you need to use the keyword function and you need to name the function. And if we invoke the function, we can see the results. So here if we see, I have already written this, and let me write it again. So first of all, to write a function, you need to use the keyword function. Then you need to write the name of the function, let us write first the name. It's giving me auto suggestions, function. Yes. Then let us write the name of the function, such as start, and let us now write. So first you need to write name, use the keyword function, then you need to give your function a name, and then you need to write a parenthesis and then a curly brace. Inside curly brace you can write your block of code or whatever code you want to write. So hello world, and now you need to invoke this function like this. You can just copy and paste this. I'm doing these things so that you can make your concept more and more clear. Okay, so now if we run this script, so you see you get hello world here. Now if you do something else, like if you try to invoke other function, let us see what you get. So in both cases you see you get hello world. Suppose if I wrote something else, if I change the n function, you see hello world n. So why do you need a function? While you are making a web application, there are several features you need to provide, like login, logout, sign in, sign out, then many other things such as add blog posts, remove blog posts, add comments to blog post. So most of these will be inside a function. Now if you use either the procedural way or the OOP way, you will use a function in either of the cases. So function is very much important. So let me discuss it again, the 3 steps to write a function. First write the keyword function, then give your function a name, and then write curly brace and write whatever you can inside this block of code. Then you need to invoke the function, and after you run the function you can see the results. Invoking the function is must, and naming the function is essential so that you can understand which function gives you what. So I believe that is very much it for now, and in the next tutorial we'll talk about arguments and parameters, which are very important. So that's it. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks.